Hello everyone, Suman here. Today I will be showcasing you the demo of my application named Timbre. So basically it is a note that talks back. So we can store recordings in our notes and our document notes and canvas notes. So yeah, let's jump into the demo real quick. So it's a typical Firebase signing. If we sign in here and we get redirected to our page. So here are two types of notes. We can share notes and we can also create our own notes. If we go to create our own notes and it's a voice embedding which is already available with the status here. So we can record another voice. For example, if we record a very small voice of like 3 to 4 seconds and we have a time limiter of 5 minutes per voice. So we save the recording and it got saved. And this one was the recent one. So if I do recent test in this name and the name got changed. So these are the two pins here, for example. And if we write, hey, hello, and we, for example, save it. For example, save it. Now we can share this and we can view this for the view only link and the share only link. If we, for example, share this in the share only mode and we go to a different browser, log in with a different mail ID, log in with a different mail ID, and we try to figure out like how will Timber work here. So we got ourselves the app, we pasted it. So we can see that the Suman main ID is active. So if we just for showcasing you, we open the Chrome browser one. We move it down here with and yeah, as you can see, both of our IDs are live now, and both of the cursor, like for example, the cursor here is for Suman 1 and the cursor here is for Suman 2. So this is how the socket server is being shared. We can actually draw and showcase that how it is working, and we can actually move the voice embeddings, but it flickers, it takes a bit time because of course these are embedding on top of it, but yeah, it gets moved. That's why access are changed. Now if we go move to the document part of it, so it's a very demo kind of testing we made. So if we go here and if we write something, for example, and then we write something else, and we can actually place this one in between of this line. So we can do that, and we can actually share this main document also with the other one. And one more mode we have is the view only mode. So if we make a demo dummy document where we write whatever and we do save it, we share it, anyone with link can view. So and we copy it and we actually paste it here, so we will be able to see that it's a view only mode file. I cannot edit anything here. If we move back, you will see, okay, there is an untitled document which we can view. And so let me change the name of this untitled document. We can do it a video test. And yeah, now for example, if we do here and we do export vnote, so it will export a vnote file for me named video test, and which we can see in our downloads. Sorry, my bad, really. Actually, so yeah. So here is the video test vnode file. Now, for example, if we want to import it in this application, I don't have this video test file. Actually, this is the file, but this never got edited. It will now get changed. But for example, it's a shared file, but I want to import it here and in this ID, and I do this and I open it, and it's imported, and we open it here, and boom, we have this file as an edit access, and we, for example, record some dummy voice or video poses, dummy voice here, and then we save it. So it will get saved, and we will have an inline voice here. And if we say test one, and boom, it got changed to test one, and we are out of it. So basically, we can import and export our vNote custom files with voice embeddings in it. So yeah, this is how it works. For example, in test summon, we have two voice embeddings, and we don't have the access of test summon here. So for example, if I do an export vNote for test summon here, and we save it here, and we import test summon from here, and it's importing, and boom. We will see those exact same voice note already being embedded here, and we can actually run it and we can actually test it locally. So if we go back, so we have uh, test summon canvas available here. We will delete it because it is a copy. So this is how the basically the application is working, and the tech stack is pretty straightforward. I haven't used anything extravagant. It's Excalibur tip tap, and basic socket server. And if we go to the API documentation, we have the authentication endpoints. We with session authentication, so Travis token. We have canvas endpoints. We have export, import nodes. We have voice note endpoints. So that's pretty much it. Yeah. Thank you.